Out, we stopped at the one place in the entire Elkhorn City,
Ghost Town
yeah, that is not private and you can walk through. Holding the tip down.
Huh?
They're holding the tip down.
Gotta go.
Okay.
You're saying good morning to me.
Good morning, dear.
No, you're saying good morning to the camera.
Well, we lost summer. I don't know what happened, but it vanished.
It was there and then it's gone.
It was there for a brief period of time, and we got nice and warm and toasty, and now it's gone. But it's morning time. The sun is coming up. We will get warm. Got a fire going. Richard's making coffee. Yeah. And it's a pretty spot, so life is good. Okay, well, I lost my partner, so I'm just gonna say we're going on a quick ride today over to outside of Boulder. Gonna go check out the Elkhorn Ghost Town. And that's all I know about it, other than hopefully it's gonna be a neat ride. We were hoping to take from the Lowland campground up to Boulder. We were hoping to take that route. However, it's all gravel and it's starting to look a little gnarly. There he is. There's my partner. So we're gonna have to head on out of here and hit some pavement and figure out how to get there. So we'll see you there. I'd be glad to get off and push.
I need to help you get up. All right.
Making a quick pit stop here because we got cold. I don't know if you can see me or not, camera, but I'm cold.
All right, it's an hour away, 44 miles.
Oh, okay. And it's outside of Boulder?
Yes, there's Boulder, you go down and up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Any way to tell about I guess we'll figure it out, the road conditions? I don't know if it's gravel or what it is.
Yeah, I don't know what it's probably going to be gravel at some point, I
Yeah.
would imagine.
Yeah, okay. We lucked out. We stopped at the one place in the entire Elkhorn City,
Ghost Town, yeah,
that is not private and you can walk through.
Yeah.
All the other buildings are private and some of them are even occupied. So
Yeah.
you can drive by them, but you can't walk through
Right,
them.
like the old saloon, the barber shop,
The schoolhouse.
the doctor, the schoolhouse, those are all privately owned.
Yeah. Would you like to live in an old schoolhouse? That'd be cool.
We know somebody that does.
Oh yeah. Hey Scott.
Hey Scott. It's
Silver?
a gathering place
Oh.
for social activities.
wallpaper.
Yeah.
And then it's backed by fabric.
It's fabric. Yeah.
And then it's got the wood.
Behind it.
Wow. Okay, did you say, Richie, you needed my help?
Maybe.
I just wait here patiently.
Yeah.
Don't hit my bike.
Oh, I know.
Want me push?
Yeah, push gently. I want to go all the way down.
It kind of goes down into a little depressions if you go straight. Is that what you're trying to do? Harley Davidsons are supposed to be adventure bikes, right?
Well, they're all adventure bikes if you push mine to it. Why?
First off, another great place to have lunch. Actually, this is much better than sitting in the parking lot of the US Forest Service.
Yes, yes. Where
We got a
were
little
yesterday.
stream running over here, and we have an official picnic table we can sit at and eat. So, we're at the Elkhorn Ghost Town, actually.
Yes.
And there's only, as we said before, there's only two places that you can walk through and see. Everything else privately
Pretty cool.
owned, and there's several people living here, so it's not an official ghost town.
Yeah, I guess I have a question. What is it considered a ghost town?
I would think nobody's living there. Yes.
That's what I would say. So
The-
why is it this is just a
Old town.
old town on a national historic site?
Yes, that's what
Okay.
it is. Yeah. So we went to the Granite ghost town in Oregon. We went to the Garnet ghost town in Montana.
And technically the Garnet ghost town is an official ghost town.
Yes, and
no one lives there. It's managed by the Bureau of Land Management.
Yes, and now we've gone to this one, which is the Elkhorn ghost town outside of Boulder, also in Montana. The top of my list, if you only want to pick one, Garnet.
Garnet so
Hands
far,
down.
hands down. I'm
Yes.
sure we're gonna. So what did we learn today? Huh? We learned that when you set your tent up, set it completely up, which includes all of the straps on the outside, all of the tie downs that need to be tied down, all of the eyelets that need to be secured to the ground. Secure those, especially when we saw that it was going to rain.
Yes.
And of course, did we do that?
No.
No. Here I am dancing around. Let it go.
Okay. So as you can see, got some storms moving in. We took the blue tarp down just so it wouldn't get destroyed because it's getting pretty windy. It's hailing.
Yeah.
You want your hat? It's hailing. Yeah. Okay. Holding the tent down. Now holding the tent down. This is one of the reasons why we bought this nice big tent, for when the weather does get bad. It's got a place to come in and it's not feeling like all we can do is lay down.
Yeah.
All right, round 2 is coming through.
But what do? Stake it all the way out when you set it up, always. That way you don't have to worry about it.
Yep, we got complacent. We've been,
That's what it was, huh?
Yeah,
Complacent.
we've been in sunny weather for months and months. Occasionally, a couple spring. We got one storm, I think, but yeah, we got complacent.
We got complacent. This was a pretty good storm, but the REI Kingdom 6 tent held up remarkably well. Dry as a bone in here.
Yep.
Pretty windy, held up. Pretty good.
Yep.